Can I really make G-Wagon using only paper? Let's find out. Hey everyone, today I'm going to making G-Wagon using only paper. This is going to be a handmade model and I will try to make it look realistic as possible. So let's start this video. For this project I'm using paper, glue and few simple tools, not expensive materials, just creativity and patience. First, I begin with the main body of the car. I carefully cut and fold the paper to create the basic shape. After that, I work on the side and the roof. Next, I add the front grille, headlights and the other small details. These tiny parts make the model look more realistic and complete. I try to keep the shape clean and sharp, just like real G-Wagon. Slowly the paper G-Wagon is starting to look like a real car. Finally, I make the wheels and attach them to the body. This step completes the model and helps the car stand properly. And here is the final result. This is my handmade paper G-Wagon. I hope you enjoyed the watching build. If you like handmade cars and paper models, please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.